Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. These are student MAHALAKSHMI. She got placed in companies. Now she is going to share his experience in this institute.
Hi, I'm MAHALAKSHMI B from Tamil Nadu. I'm a year of passing out is 2024. I'm a PySpiders student. My grooming session was taken by Shankar Narayana sir. It is very useful for me. I came through incubation through our college. It is very useful for me. I took this course. First, I don't have any idea what is going to learn and what are the things I'm going to learn. But after taking Python, by experience by Keshav sir, it is very useful for me. I have learned lot of things from him. It is very easy to crack my interviews, and my SQL is took by Mohan sir and about Alex sir. First Mohan sir, he have taught off of the portions, and after Alex sir took off of the portions. It is very useful, and I easily grab, easily adaptive, and for his teaching. By his teaching, I have cracked my interviews very easily.
Okay. How mock interview was useful for you to crack the interview?
It is very useful, sir. By taking so much of mock interviews only, I can easily learn it. I can easily crack the interviews also, sir.
Okay. Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
I wish her all the best for the career.